Hey, what's up YouTube? I'll be unboxing a JJC Shutter Soft Release Button. So let's get right into it. So as I've mentioned, this is basically a soft shutter release for cameras. This would simply screw into the shutter release button. So three things why you might be needing this item. First, it gives a fancier look. So this is just a simple button that you could attach on your shutter release button. Second, somehow this would prevent less camera shutter movement. So again, the package came with the soft shutter release button again. And it also came with two rubber, so you could easily connect it to the camera. So let me try to connect it. So I'm using a Fujifilm X-T3. So this smaller rubber goes to, so it came with two, so it goes to, I'm not sure if you could see it on the camera. So this would simply screw into the shutter release button. So I took the silver one, and it matches the Fujifilm X-T3. So yeah, there you go. Okay, so yeah, so there you go. So I think it matches well. So it adds aesthetic looks. It's fancier compared to not having this, and it matches well my Fujifilm silver color. So that would be all. Let me know your thoughts regarding using a soft shutter release button on your camera. Let me know it on your comments, and see you again on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.